Hello and welcome to my new house tour. This house I am so proud of. It is my favorite project I have ever done and I can't wait to share it with you guys. It is almost done, but I couldn't wait until it was totally done to show you, so I'm showing you it so far. I chose a really pretty blue for the front door, and we just got our doorbell camera installed. Very fancy. Now I'm showing you the entryway. It's really, really tall and has a lot of natural light. That's what I love most about it. We chose this really pretty smoky gray for the body of the entire house, both inside and out. Now we're gonna head down the downstairs hallway past the elevator. I'm so excited about that. And now we're heading into the guest bedroom. It's nice because every bedroom in this house has its own walk-in closet. Now we're turning the corner. You can see the beautiful gray stain on the floors, hardwood floors throughout, no carpet. This room will be my boyfriend's office, and so I painted it a really masculine navy blue, and then we have these really pretty cherry wood desks and cabinet system built in. And a really nice window seat for reading. There's a close-up so you can see the richness of that color. I just love it. And then this is the downstairs guest bath. So this is the bathroom for that blue guest room we saw. One of my favorite things about this house is that every bedroom has an ensuite bath. And here we put an extra deep tub for soaking, and it has a shower seat. And I love that band of Moroccan tiles. Also, we made sure that each bathroom in the house was equipped with both a rain shower head and a handheld shower head. It just makes cleaning the shower, cleaning yourself, and washing our dog a million times easier. Now this is the view of the entryway from upstairs. As you can see, not all of the spindles on the staircase are in, but I could not wait to show you guys this beautiful double halo chandelier and all of the natural light that comes in. Now down the hallway we have a wine cellar, and it's temperature controlled, so that's why there's that big door on it. Next to the wine cellar we have the powder bath. So this is the bath guests would use if they came over for dinner. So we painted it this really pretty periwinkle, and it goes along with the pretty blue flecks in this really starry, galaxy-like granite. And this is the laundry room. I know, zing. I really wanted one room in the house to be a crazy color, so I wanted to pick this room because I do all the laundry, so it's basically my room. Here we have a great folding area and storage. And then basically an entire wall of storage here with a sink and a lot of countertops. We know how laundry gets. Right now we don't have in-unit laundry, so I just am freaking out about having my own washer and dryer. And then this is going to be my office. It's technically a bedroom, but we don't have kids yet, so I get to use it. It has this beautiful built-in desk with plenty of storage for this will be my home management desk. And then this is the ensuite bath of my office. I painted it the same really pretty light sea blue turquoise. I'm just obsessed with that marble. That's all the countertops in the house that we installed for the renovation are this pretty marble. And I love the hot and cold labels on the faucet. It's the same bathroom, but the shower and toilet area. Have a nice little vanity there to store all of my products. A nice shampoo niche. And again, the handheld shower head as well as the rain head. And I had to show you guys my favorite part, the pebbled marble floor. This is right next to my office. This will be Mike, my boyfriend, and my master bedroom. So we painted it this really deep, rich charcoal gray. I think it makes it look really classy. And then there's a built-in wardrobe right here that Mike will use for his suits. And the entire house is equipped with smart home technology, so that's one of the screens where you can access everything. And then this is the ensuite bath for our bedroom. It's basically the same as the bathroom in my office, except the cabinets are gray. Here we have more of a close-up of the tile. I love that the tile goes all the way to the ceiling. We picked the prettiest hardware in this brushed nickel color. All of this hardware is from Grohe. And this is the dining room. We have a built-in buffet with warming drawers here, as well as those marble countertops. And the chandelier on the dining room matches the chandelier in the entryway. And the reason that it looks so sparkly all the time is that there's actually a ring of LEDs behind the crystals. And here's the living room with a bench window seat and coffered ceiling. And all of this is totally open to the breakfast nook and the kitchen. And behind that sliding door there was a balcony as well. And this kitchen is my pride and joy. I absolutely adore it. That fridge is a beast. I cannot wait to use it. And this is crazy, but this pantry is currently bigger than our entire kitchen in our apartment, so it's going to be a big step up moving here. Close-up of the countertops and the backsplash. The backsplash is actually blue glass interlaid with white Carrara marble. We got the biggest sink we could get with this really cool spring-loaded faucet. And there's my dog in the background. Close-up of the island. As you can see, the cabinets in the island are gray to contrast with the rest of the white cabinets in the kitchen. Back out the blue door. I absolutely love everything about this house. I hope you guys liked it too. I will post an updated video once we have filled this with furniture and it becomes our actual home. So thanks for watching. I hope you had fun. There's a princess exploring her new domain.